On today's menu, let us make this flavorful recipe together. A super easy, fresh and delicious chili chickpea lettuce cups. Lei hou ma, as it's going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Will Yeung. This recipe is super quick, super easy, and is a perfect lunchtime recipe for home or on the go. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Rinse and drain a 400ml can of chickpeas. I love using chickpeas as they're accessible, versatile, and of course, they're just delicious. Place the chickpeas in a mixing bowl. 2 tablespoons chili oil and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This combination gives it that sweet chili flavor. This is a chili oil made in a past episode. A little smoky, a little spicy. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make it really easily at home. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. A good pinch of salt and fresh cracked pepper to taste. Give the chickpeas a good toss to coat. The combination of the chili oil and paprika will add a nice smoky flavor and a beautiful crimson red color. Transfer to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Take the time to spread out the chickpeas so that they cook evenly. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, peel and finely dice half a red onion. You can definitely use white onions if that's what you have on hand. I find red onions have a subtle, sweet flavor, and it also adds a nice pop of color. This recipe should be good for about 3 to 4 portions, but of course that depends on how much you fill the lettuce cups. Place the red onions into a new large mixing bowl. Finely chop 2 sticks of green onions. Green onions add a beautiful green color and a really nice freshness. Slice 1 small carrot into thin matchsticks. The carrot adds color, a crunchy texture, and natural sweetness. Take your time and do your best to get the matchsticks pretty thin. This way they'll yield more and they won't be overly crunchy. By the way, this episode is a bit of a companion video to one of the recipes found in the 4th cookbook, Dining In with Will. For more information about this book or the other Young Man Cooking cookbooks, there is a link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Thank you so much for supporting the cooking show. Coarsely chop a small bunch of cilantro. This is one of those recipes you're building delightful colors and layers of flavor. Peel and dice 2 ripe mangoes. I'm using Altalfo mangoes today, but of course you can use red mangoes as well. It goes without saying, of course, make sure they're ripe first so that they'll be nice and sweet. Altalfo mangoes are one of my absolute favorite fruits. When ripe, they have a very unique, honey-like sweetness. When I get a chance to buy them in bulk, I'll purchase a few cases, wait till they're ripe, prep and freeze them. They make an excellent mango lassi or irresistible mango popsicles. Add a pinch of salt and some fresh cracked pepper to taste. Give the bowl a mix to combine all those delicious flavors and beautiful colors. When the chickpeas are done, take them out of the oven and allow to cool for a couple of minutes. Do your best to try not to snack on them too much. This is Boston lettuce. It has really nice, big, broad leaves, which makes them perfect for lettuce cups. Assemble the lettuce cups by scooping in some of the veggies and chickpeas. Be generous, but also be mindful not to overstuff. If you have a container with separate compartments, this makes an excellent lunch to go. A nice fresh lunch sorted. You can now enjoy these delicious lettuce cups with absolute confidence. It looks so colorful and so inviting. The combination of flavors and textures, just so good. I have to take another bite. I absolutely love the beautiful, bright colors. And right from that first bite, you're welcomed with a combination of this nice earthy flavor from the chickpeas, which has a little bit of that smokiness and little spicy kick. But then you also get that really delightful sweetness from the mango. It is just so harmonious. There's that natural sweetness from the carrots and a nice subtle sweetness from the red onions, but of course that pungent flavor. There's also that really nice crunchiness from the carrots and from the actual lettuce itself. The chickpeas are nice and robust. It has a nice fragrance, and the cilantro is aromatic and just brings everything together. It's simple, fun recipes like this that's colorful, it's bright, it's inviting, and it's also just packed with freshness. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to our email newsletter, that's the best way to stay notified so that we can cook together again in the next episode.